We're going to solve the worksheets. In class, we read the story about Gus, right?
Yeah.
And we answered the questions. But now, and we also solved the vocabulary part, but I'm still going to review the vocabulary part and then we move on to phonics only, okay? The grammar, we're going to do the grammar by tomorrow in the next session. Hussein, I want you to read number 1.
Me?
Yes, you.
Okay. Who?
Which word means? Wants very much. Which word means wants very much?
It means eager.
Eager, bravo. Muhammad Khalifa, number 2. What does the word remarkable mean?
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Hussein Khalifa, what does the word peaks mean?
Looks for a short time.
Looks quickly, bravo. It's Hussein Sur that answered. Okay, Hussein Khalifa, can you hear me?
Yes.
What does the word buried mean? Covered up, tied up, or locked in?
Covered.
Bravo. You're telling me or asking me?
Tell.
Lamar, which word means catches sight of?
Yes.
Number 5, which word means catches sight of?
5. Okay.
I'm reading it, Lamar. Which word means
Yes.
catches sight of? Is it the word shines, size, or spice? Spice. The word spice, okay? Okay, now let's move on to phonics. Here we have the short U and the long U, and we have an exercise related to soft C and soft G. Short U, I want Lin Sufan. Can you give me a word that has the short U sound? Lin Sufan.
Yes.
A word that has the short U sound.
Umbrella.
Umbrella, bravo. Ali Jafar, a word that has the long U sound. Ali Jafar.
Miss Pandan. Is it Pandan? Work.
Yes, it's the second worksheet. It's worksheet number 2. Ali Jafar, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Lean.
Which page?
The worksheet number 2, it's the 3rd page. It's in the worksheet. Okay, Ali Jafar, I think he can't hear me. I want Lamar, can you give me a word that has the long U sound? Yeah. Hussein Sroor, a word that has the long U sound.
Up.
Up has the long U sound.
No.
Who can help and give me a word that has the long U sound?
Octopus? No.
Octopus, no. Muhammad
Oh,
Khalifa, Hussein, Lamar, Lean, who can give me a word that has the long U sound? Okay, the long U sound, we have use, we have fuse, we have huge, we have mule. What's wrong?
Miss, mute.
Mute,
Mute
bravo.
like
Cute, bravo, Lamar. Okay, now number one. Mute. Okay, now I'm going to mute everyone. We have to read each group of words, then circle the words that have the same vowel sound. I'm going to start with you, Lamar. Lamar, number one.
Yes.
Read the
Okay.
word. Yes.
Get up. Cup. Pele us. Use.
Bravo. Which we have two words that have the same vowel sound. What are the two words that we have to circle?
Wait a minute.
Okay.
Stop.
So cup and what? Plum. So we have to circle cup and plum because they have the short U sound. Lin Sufan, number two.
Ham.
I want you to read the word number two. Hum.
Fun.
So I have to circle hum and
Fun.
Lean, listen, I'm gonna circle them, okay? This is number two. We have group of words. We have to circle the words that have the same vowel sound.
Huge and fuse.
Bravo, because they both have the long U sound. Hussein Khalifa, number three.
Yes.
Read the words in number three.
Moth and dog.
Dog. We
Dog.
have must, we have use, we have dog. What are the two words that I should circle and why? I have to circle must and what?
Must and dog.
And dog, bravo, because they both have the short U sound. Muhammad Khalifa, number four.
Yes. Fun, fuse, hum.
So what are the two words that I should circle?
Fun and hum.
Fun and hum, bravo, excellent. Now, let's move on to soft C and soft G. I'm gonna remind you a little bit that about the soft G and soft G. Soft G and soft C, sorry. Listen, if the letter after the G or the C is I, E, or Y, then it makes the soft sound. The soft G sound, it's like J, J, giraffe. The soft C sound, it's like S, S, science, let's say. Okay? Understood? Or center. Number one, Hussein Shru, read number one in the next part. I'm gonna circle it. Hussein Shru, please read it. In this exercise, what should we do? We should circle the words that have the soft C or the soft G sound. Hussein Shru, start.
Okay. Okay. there, correct? There will be a g- r- g- r- a f- t craft.
There will be a craft fair
There will be a craft fair in the c- c-
center. You see, after letter C, what do we have?
n, right?
Well,
No,
after the letter
E,
C, what do we have? We have E.
E, yes, E.
So that's why it makes the
Letter soft.
soft
Mark
C sound.
C. Okay.
So which word we have to circle, Hassan?
This one with the E.
Center.
Center. Yeah.
Number 2, Ali Jafar, can you hear me?
Yes,
Read number 2. I cooked
I cooked
a great
a great dish
I cooked a great dish with ginger and carrots.
and carrots. Yes. Carrots. Okay. Yes.
Can you tell me the word that has the soft C or soft G sound?
Is it where I can tell you?
In the sentence that you read, I cooked a great dish with ginger. Who can help?
No. Is it long?
So we have to circle ginger. Why? Because it has the soft G sound. Number 3, Lin Sufan.
We gladly collected all the coins in a giant container.
Bravo.
Giant.
Giant. Bravo. Number 4, Muhammad Khalifa.
Yes.
Read number 4.
Where number 4?
I'm gonna circle it. Okay.
The fancy car ghost
The fancy car cost thousands
of dollars.
Okay. Which word has the soft C or the soft G sound?
Fancy.
Fancy. Correct. Bravo. Hussein Khalifa, read number 5.
Yes. Dad
Dad stored the candles
in the color
in the cellar.
of
What do we have after letter C, Hussein? Letter E. So it's a soft C. Cellar
of the house.
So which word has the soft C or soft G sound?
seller,
Seller, bravo. Now in this part, we have some spelling mistakes. I'm going to read it first, or who wants to read? Maybe Lean. Lean, read. Read the text below or the paragraph, and we have some mistakes. You just have to read it, and then I'll choose someone else for the mistakes. Yeah.
There are 6 spelling mistakes in that paragraph below. Circle the misspelled words while darkly on the line.
Okay, a man.
A man was a sock maker. He liked to hum a tune as he made socks. Humming made his job fast and fun to do. At the end of a month, he had to he said
At the end of the month, he had a huge, but this is it's not written in the correct way. Okay.
bag of socks. He used take all the socks to the shop.
Okay.
What can I
Use.
to carry them? There. At last, the man put the bag onto the back of his mule. It was a strong animal. It could carry the bag. He fed his pet a plum. Then he hummed all the way to the shop.
Bravo. Hussein Sroor, we have some mistakes here. Can you start with the first word and tell me how we should write it in the correct way? Yes, can you help me, Hussein?
Yes, I can. Yes. Yes, teacher. Teacher, are you there?
What?
Teacher, are you there?
Yes, you can't hear
Okay.
me?
Oh, I just didn't hear you well. Okay. You have to get rid of must and last, and we have to get rid of.
No, last is written correctly.
Okay. So
The
I'm not
first
sure what to
line,
do
we
here.
have the word hum. This is not how we
Yeah.
write the word hum. This is written as hum with the long U
Yeah.
sound. So it's wrong.
Yeah. So we XT and then we put U, right?
No, we just remove the letter E, and then we will have the word hum.
Okay.
Okay, Hussein Khalifa. Huge. Can you see the word huge? Is it written correctly? This is the word huge. It has a mistake somewhere. Can you tell me the
Yes.
mistake?
the E,
Bravo, the E. So how should I write the word huge?
huge, H-U, H-U-G-E,
Excellent, bravo. Muhammad Khalifa, the word must. What is the mistake in the word must?
Where is it?
Where is it? Find it. Find it
I
in the
see.
fridge, in the box, find it somewhere. This is the word must.
Must wrong because right must M-U-S-T.
Excellent, bravo. Who can tell me how to write the word use? Lin Sufan, how should we write the word use?
U-S-E.
U-S-E. Bravo. The word mule, Lamar Atwi. How should we write the word mule?
Yes.
How should we- Mule.
How we should M-O
M-U.
U
Okay. M-U-L-E. Okay, Lamar?
Yes.
M-U-L-E. The word plum. Hussein Kanso, can you tell me how to write the word plum?
What?
Plum.
Plum.
P-L.
Double M.
We have to move one, right?
Right.
Okay, so now let's write down these words, please. I want you to write these words down. Hum, huge, must, use, mule, and plum. I want you to write them down and show me, please.
Okay.
On a piece of paper or anything.
Okay. Because I not have the work.
Any paper.
Okay.
Any paper, it's fine.
I write it.
Okay, show me. Insufan.
Yes.
Yes, bravo. And who else? Ali Jafar done.
No, I don't done. Look, I make there.
Okay, faster, حبيبي يلا.
I done.
Cairo here.
Yes, I'm here. Okay, everyone. Here, now we wrote some words with short U and long U sound. Now I want you to write your own words. Min Sufan, where are you? I want you to write your own words. Here, you're going to write words with short, sorry, that has the short U sound. And then here you're going to write words that has the long U sound. Okay, for example, like U, short U, you can write hug, mug, sun. You will write your own words. Let's stay muted, Hussein Kanso, please. Now, words with short U, we can write, for example, huge, mule, use. Lin Sufan, I want you to write some words that have the short U and the long U sounds, your own words. And when you're done and the session ends, you send them to me. Okay?
Okay. Miss.
Yes, ma'am.